Okay, to try to determine the operating system of a device at an IP address using Nmap, you can type sudo nmap -A and the IP address. And you can see here, it shows I'm running Linux, and I'm using Linux kernel 2.6.32. And you can also try the capital O option, which gives you basically the same information. It shows Linux and kernel 2.6.32. Now, if you try this on a device that has a firewall or Kaspersky Internet Security, it may show up as a network attack, like so. And you won't get any result. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.